Welcome to Drawlipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display option. After that scroll down again and here you can see Edge panel option, then just tap here and that's it. Now by tapping here you can enable Edge panel in your phone. Now if you tap on panels option in your phone, from here you can customize your Edge panel. Here you can see so many tasks and you can add any tasks to your Edge panel as you want. If I select weather and then tools, then clipboard and then go back. Now if I open my Edge panel and you can see task has been added successfully. Now if you want to customize your Edge panel position, just go to handle and that's it. From here you can customize your Edge panel. You can change your Edge panel position. You can also lock your handle position, and from here you can change your Edge panel style, color, transparency, size and anything as you want. Now if you tap on position, from here you can change your Edge panel position. You can choose left or right. Also from here you can change your Edge panel color, and from here you can change your Edge panel transparency. Also from here you can change your Edge panel size. Now if you scroll down, you can change your width from here, and that's it. And that is how you can enable Edge panel in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.